Let me guess, you're a music lover too, and today you're looking for some good apps to listen for music for completely free from your mobile device. You're in the right place because today in this video I'll show you the top 3 best music apps to listen to music for completely free for both Android and iPhone. So let's jump right into it. First we'll start by this app named Audiomack right here. It's gonna be looking like this once you open it. You get a different genres in the top and you don't even need to sign in for the first part. You can just skip and you can use it just like that. As you can see guys, trending songs and trending artists. You got even Lil Wayne, Drake. You can search, as you can see I'm gonna search for Drake. Here you go guys, you can open its profile and you find even the latest songs like this one, Slime You Out by Drake. It is very recent and you can find it just like that. Now that is the first app. For the second app we have eSound and it's going to be looking like this. The good thing about this app is that it actually looks exactly like Spotify. Not exactly, but it's inspired by Spotify. You can tap right here to search for your songs and you can find this page that looks like the search page from Spotify. The cool thing about this app is if you go ahead and search for podcasts, let's go ahead and type in Huberman, you can listen to your podcast from the app, or you can choose YouTube to actually listen to YouTube podcasts in the background even. Isn't that amazing guys? Now that is for the second app. For the third app, you all guys know it. It's gonna be Spotify, of course, there is no doubt. Everybody knows it. It's by far the best music app you can ever find on a mobile device. That's my opinion at least. You can go ahead and search for songs. You can find literally every song on the market right here. Now, of course, all of these apps are available in App Store or Play Store, depends on what device you're on. You can just open your Play Store and search for the name of the apps. As you can see guys, this is Spotify. Of course, it is available on Play Store. You can even try Audiomack, here it is. You can even search for the eSound app that we have seen earlier and you can find it just like that. And that is it for this video guys. If it was useful, please like and comment down below. Let me know what you think about these apps, and if you have any other app that you personally use, leave it in the comment down below. Of course, subscribe to the channel guys, and thank you very much for watching.